I'm a duck? No way! Duckside is just duckside!
Welcome to Farlight 84.
Whoa, it started! Watch out!
We've got a bunch of quacks landing nearby!
That hit right just shattered their shield into pieces. Time for an intermission. I need to reload. Ha! That's one less enemy to worry about. White ammo.
Don't get
Get
your
off
feathers
this
still
quickly.
We're
It's
in
my
zone.
solo time now. We got the first point. Awesome. Time for an intermission. I need to reload. I just shattered their shield into pieces. Oops. Wait, gotta reload. Enemy down. Get up and quickly. It's my turn now. I just shattered their shield into pieces. Right out of the game.
Quack, 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 quack!
I'm worried someone died here and dropped their supplies. Attack! Come on! Someone died here and dropped their supplies. Reload coming up.
You are now the Reaper.
Now that's a perfect curtain call. Oops, I forgot to upgrade my traits. I can hear you. Lightning speed reload coming up.
Let's roll!
Time to reload. I'll be back on stage in a jiffy. Now that's a perfect curtain call. Restoring shield. Using medkit. There's an angled foregrip here. Level 2. There's a helmet here. Level 2.
Being prepared.
I think the sponsor box is here. Let's go. Oops, I forgot to upgrade my traits. There's a helmet here. Level 4. Time to pick out a trait. Let's do this. Shatter their shield into pieces. Need down. Time to reload. stage in a jiffy. Get off the stage quickly. It's my turn. I can hear you.
Reloading ammo.
Another one out.
Restoring shield.
Now that's a perfect curtain call. Restoring shield. There's a helmet here. Level 2. Time to pick out a trait. Let's do this. Yeah! I leveled up. Time to rock out. I can hear you. There's a muzzle brake here. Level 2. Oops, I forgot to upgrade my traits. There's a helmet here. Level 2. Here's an expanded jetpack. Level 4. Never fails.
Attention,
Loading.
the safe zone countdown has commenced.
We're only a few quacks from the safe zone.
Attention, airdrop delivery is underway.
Get ready for the airdrop. It's like a skyward pizza delivery. Get over here and keep up with my pace.
Ready to go. I agree. Quack, quack.
Time to reload. I'll be back on stage in a jiffy. No, I can hear you. Morph Drake is here. Time to pick out a trait. Let's do this. There's a helmet here. Level 2.
Delivering airdrop.
Let's check out this spot. Maybe we'll find inspiration there.
Maggie reservation. No touching. Almost within reach of the safe zone, and we've got 30 seconds left.
Airdrop arrived.
There's an airdrop here, and it looks pretty cool. I can hear you. 10 seconds left. Luckily, the safe zone isn't that far. Go, go, go! Whoa! The new song has a drum beat. Wait. Gotta reload. Feel your heart pound. Shatter their shield into pieces. Ha! That's one less enemy to worry about. I forgot to upgrade my traits. Wait, there's a tactical stock here. Level 2. I can hear you.
Quack, quack, quack.
Shatter their shield into pieces. Enemy down.
Reloading.
Reloading ammo.
Stage is set. Now let's get the crowd fired up. Oops, I forgot to upgrade my traits. I can hear you. Time to reload. I'll be back on stage in a jiffy. We've already half players. Shattered their shield into pieces. That's one less enemy to worry about. Another one out of the game. There's an extended rifle magazine here. Level 2. Tactical cord here. Level 2. Ah! One less enemy to worry about. Shield's ready to go.
The safe zone
Yeah!
countdown has
I leveled
commenced.
up! Time to back in the safe zone. Move quickly and stick
Sponsor
together.
box is being prepared.
Check out this sponsor box with dope equipment. I can hear you. Hold on. Feel your heart pounding. Quack, quack, quack. I forgot to upgrade my traits. Time for an intermission. I need to reload.
Within reach of the safe zone, and we've got 30 seconds left.
Shield recharging. Safety comes first on stage.
We're almost there, and in just 10 seconds, the safe zone will shrink.
Theres a respawn device here.
Alert! The safe zone is beginning to shrink.
None of us made it to the safe zone. Move those feet.
Attention! Respawn devices are being airdropped.
Time to pick out a trait. Let's do this.
Attention! The safe zone countdown has commenced.
We're only a few quacks from the safe
Super
zone.
airdrop
Oops, I
inbound.
forgot to upgrade my traits.
Whoa! Super airdrop incoming!
I can hear you.
We're close, but we only have 30 quacks to get to the safe zone.
Here's an expanded jetpack. Level 4.
Start delivering airdrops.
We're almost there, and in just 10 seconds, the safe zone will shrink.
Alert! The safe zone is beginning to shrink.
Looks like we forgot to RSVP to the safe zone party. Let's sprint. Oops, I forgot to upgrade my traits. I can hear you. Time for an intermission. I need to reload. Get off the stage quickly. It's my solo time now. Squad left. I can almost hear the rhythm of victory. Woo! Only one squad left now. Let's stay calm and finish strong. Shield recharging. Safety comes first on stage.
Attention! The safe zone countdown has commenced.
Here's an
We're only
expanded
a few
jetpack.
quacks from the
Level
safe
4.
zone.
Time to pick out a trait. Let's do this.
We're close, but we only have 30 quacks to get to the safe zone.
It's an SMG muzzle brake. Level 3. Seconds left. Luckily, the safe zone isn't that far. Go, go, go! I can hear you.
Alert! The safe zone is beginning to shrink.
Yay! Good job, everyone. We're all in the safe zone.
Try my rolling blast.
I just shattered their shield into pieces. Reloading. Hold on.
Prepare for a flashwing.
Let's do this. Another round of the game.
Victory!